Yawning, a phenomenon often associated with tiredness or boredom, holds deeper implications than we might assume. Contrary to popular belief, yawning could be a mechanism for regulating brain temperature and maintaining alertness. Researchers suggest that the intake of air during a yawn helps to cool the brain, thereby promoting its efficiency. This could explain why yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn, especially in group settings, could trigger a collective brain cooling effect, optimizing group alertness. This reflex not only synchronizes group behavior but enhances collective vigilance, an evolutionary benefit for our ancestors in social or potentially threatening environments.